Hello everyone! Now that you've completed main point number 1 under the ruminant digestive category, it's time for you to look into main point number 2, which is also in the ruminant digestion category. So for this one, in order to access your instructions, you can go back up to the instructions tab, and you're going to scroll on down to main point number 2 instructions. And so this video will be posted over here, and then these are the actual instructions step by step on exactly what you need to do. So for this one, there are also 2 subpoints. The first subpoint is asking you to look through a PowerPoint and then answer a couple of questions afterwards, and it's all just in the same length. And then subpoint number 2 involves you clicking through a module, learning about it, and this doesn't actually have an assessment, but you're going to need this information in order to complete the final assessment, so it's important that you take note of the things that are being addressed and really understand what's going on. So we'll go ahead and look through subpoint number 1 first. So if you scroll back up to the top and you go back to the ruminant digestion page, you'll see this "How does a cow's stomach work?" And so it's a slideshow PowerPoint, and if you just click through it, it'll give you some valuable information that you'll need, as well as an animated picture and a real-life picture of the different compartments. And on slide number 7 is your assessment or your 3-question quiz. So if you'll just click on whichever one of the 4 answers you think is correct. It'll tell you if it's correct, and you get as many tries as you need until you fully understand it. So for subpoint number 2, you have a completely different idea. So you're going to be using this module down here. So you're going to click here for main point number 2 module, and it's going to take you to a different screen. And it's going to give you an image of a dairy cow and their digestive system. So you can click on any of the highlighted labels. So you can start here at the esophagus, and it'll give you a picture and kind of explain it, as well as the function of it. And then you can click the next button and it'll take you back. Then you can go to the rumen, and here it gives you a definition as well and a short video that'll explain it even further. So just click through those and fully understand what's going on there. Then you return to your other screen, and for your final assessment of this one, you'll need to access the activities again. So you're going to click to access the activities, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it's a crossword puzzle. So you're going to use the across and down clues to decide what words you think might fit in there. So I'm going to tell you in advance that these are the functions of the different parts of the digestive system, and up here you're going to be putting the name of that part. So for instance, you might use a word like rumen or omasum. So just think through that. And then once you've completed that, you have completely finished the ruminant digestion tab. Thank you.